Introduction to GDB.
GDB is a powerful debugging tool for C and C++ programs. It helps you find and fix errors by letting you run your code step by step, inspect variables, and control program execution. Learning GDB can make troubleshooting much easier, even for beginners. Let's explore how to get started and use its most important commands.
Compiling your code for debugging.
Before using GDB, you need to compile your C or C++ program with debugging information. Add the -g flag to your compiler command, like gcc-g program.c-o program. This includes extra information in the executable, allowing GDB to show source code lines and variable names while debugging.
Starting and navigating GDB.
To launch GDB, type gdb.program in your terminal. Once inside, you'll see the GDB prompt. Here, you can set breakpoints, run the program, and examine its execution. Use the help command anytime for a list of available commands and what they do.
Using breakpoints and running code.
A breakpoint stops your program at a specific line. To set one, type break main to pause at the start of main, or break 15 to stop at line 15. Use run to start your program, and GDB will pause when it reaches your breakpoints. This lets you inspect your program at key moments.
Stepping through and inspecting variables.
GDB allows you to step through code line by line with next or step. While paused, use print variable name to view a variable's value. List shows surrounding source lines, and continue resumes normal execution until the next breakpoint. These features help pinpoint exactly where bugs occur.
Quitting and further learning.
When finished, type quit to exit GDB. Debugging takes practice, but mastering these basic commands will greatly speed up your workflow. For more, explore GDB's documentation or use the help command within GDB for further tips and advanced features.